If you are starting your career and you have a dream to acquire some assets, for example, bike or anything else, from your savings, then today's video is specially for you. Hello friends, this is A. Bhattacharya welcoming you to the channel Banking Nothing Else. Today I shall be discussing recurring deposit account in detail. Recurring deposit scheme of SBI is one of the best banking schemes. Recurring deposit is a unique product which conforms to the Hindi saying "Boond boond se sagar bharta hai." In English, drop by drop fills the ocean. You save a little amount every month. This principal amount and interest thereon will turn into large wealth gradually. First of all, recurring deposit is a unique product to provide a person with an opportunity to build up savings through regular monthly deposits of fixed sum over a period of time. It is one of the best wealth creating scheme, especially for those who are starting their career and can spare some fund from their earning every month. After the contracted period, principal amount plus interest thereon can be reinvested or can be used for fulfilling your dreams. Now, who is eligible for this? It can be opened by anyone irrespective of age, that is minor, senior citizen or general public. KYC requirement. If you already have KYC compliant savings or current account with the bank, then you need not submit KYC documents once again. This account will be opened by a simple request under the same CIF. In case you do not have savings or current account with the bank, then you need to fill account opening form and submit it along with KYC documents and photograph. Features. It is available at all the branches. Minimum period of deposit is 12 months or 1 year. Maximum 120 months or 10 years. Minimum deposit amount is Rs 100 per month. Thereafter in multiples of Rs 10, that is 100, 110, 120, 200, 210, 300, 500, 2000 and any amount. Maximum deposit amount, there is no limit. Nomination is available. You can keep the same nominee as in your savings bank account or a fresh one can be introduced. Universal passbook will be issued. Transferability among other SBI branches is allowed. Rate of interest is same as applicable to term deposits. The interest rate applicable to all senior citizens of age 60 years and above will be 0.50% above the applicable rate. Penalty charges for non-deposit of monthly installments. For account with maturity period up to 5 years, it is Rs 1.50 per 100 rupees per month. For account with maturity period above 5 years, it is Rs 2 per Rs 100 per month. A service charge of Rs 10 will be levied on recurring deposit accounts paid out on or after the date of maturity, wherein there is default in payment of 3 or more consecutive installments and the account has not been regularized. In case 6 consecutive installments are not received, the account shall prematurely be closed and balance paid to the account holder. Instructions for disposal of maturity proceeds are accepted at the time of opening of account. Loan overdraft facility up to 90% of the deposited amount is available. Premature closure facility against small penalty. For term deposit up to Rs 5 lakhs, the penalty is 0.50% for all tenors, that is all periods. For term deposits above Rs 5 lakhs, applicable penalty is 1% for all maturities. The interest shall be 0.50% or 1% below the rate applicable at the time of deposits for the period deposit remained with the bank or 0.50% or 1% below the contracted rate, whichever is lower. However, no interest will be paid on deposits which remain for a period of less than 7 days. TDS is applicable as per income tax rules. Form 15G or 15H can be submitted by the depositor to get exemption from tax deduction at source as per income tax rules. Now, procedure to open. Account can be opened either offline, that is by visiting the bank branch, or through offline mode. Visit the branch during business hours on any working day. If you have a KYC compliant savings or current account with the bank, submit a duly signed simple application requesting bank to open recurring deposit account mentioning amount of monthly installment and period of deposit. If you do not have savings or current account with the bank, then fill account opening form and submit the same along with KYC documents. Produce the original KYC document to the bank staff for physical verification. This way the account will be opened. Online mode. Online recurring deposit account will be discussed separately in the next video shortly. Here, important point to note. Number 1. It is preferable to use bank standing instruction facility for monthly credit to avoid non-submission of timely installments and save yourself from getting penalized. Number 2. Keep sufficient balance in savings bank account to service the installments every month through standing instructions. If you have any query regarding this topic or you wish to cover any other banking topics, please feel free to mention in the comment section below. I will try to cover the same in my future videos. If you have liked the video, please click the like and subscribe button and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.